The bird's eagerness to find prey leads them to be caught in the trap of the Iranian spider-tailed viper. The spider-tailed viper is as active as the insectivore birds. To feed its chicks, the bird promptly attacks any insect. The Iranian poet Nizami writes in his book Khamseh, "I witnessed a bird on the way who took an ant as its prey. Still its bill it had not cleaned. When to another bird it fell prey." The spider-tailed viper's camouflage is so precise that the bird sits directly on its body. And the double attraction of the bird to the spider-like tail of the viper indicates the best adaptation in the most evolved tail structure for hunting in the world of snakes. This image was recorded for the first time in the world of natural history. The Iranian spider-tailed viper, a unique species endemic to western Iran, has just recently been discovered. Due to the limited distribution range and the high demand of zoos all over the world, the viper needs serious protection by the Environment Department of Iran. Otherwise, it will soon face the danger of extinction.